Oh, hey, guys, you won't believe what Greta has in her backpack.
A whole load of trouble, I'd say.
But she's got automatic dog community. No, that's not right. Dogplomatic immunity. That's it. She can't get into trouble. Oh, come on. Ever heard of having some fun?
Excuse you. We love fun. We are die-hard shenanigan fans.
But Greta is just bad news. She's trying to change you.
Ugh, you don't understand dogs at all. Maybe you're trying to change me into a stupid scaredy cat.
Flix! So offensive.
Time for one of your dog's dinners.
We'll make it our masterpiece. Hold on. This isn't the dog way.
Who cares? I've got dogplomatic immunity. I'm an ambassador's daughter, which means no one can punish me except your mother.
It wasn't. We didn't.
Honestly, Greta, I can't take you anywhere. The driver will take you back to the hotel, and the nanny will give you all the attention you need. I don't have time for this today.
Flix! Double, no, triple detention.
But, sir, it wasn't my fault. Okay, technically it was, but help me out here, Tabby. Munchkin?
You better fix this mess, or it's detention for life.
Sardine sandwich?
With extra anchovy?
And crunchy capers?
Of course, your favorite. I'm sorry. I got a little carried away with Greta. It's just so rare to have someone at school who's just like me.
We're sorry too, Flix. We sometimes forget that you're, well, different to us in school.
Yeah, you're a dog. And a cat. A dog cat. But we just see you as you, Flix. One of a kind.
Wait, that's it. This is a dog-cat problem. We need a cat-dog solution. Greta, what are you doing here?
I'm doing things the dog way, the right way. I got you into trouble, so I'm trying to get you out of it. I don't think it's gonna wash off.
Don't worry, I've got something bigger planned.
Did you get our paint problem seen to, Mr. Ratsky?
I had our cleaners try their best, but...
Fellow cats and dogs, we present to you Pause for Thought.
Flix!
This week, our special dog guests came to Felinia to celebrate cat-dog friendship, and this mural is here to celebrate our differences, rather than use them to force us apart. Do things the dog way, or the cat way, because at the end of the day, we all have paws!
Catnip confetti!
There's enough paint here for everyone to add a paw print.
Greta, what is the meaning of this? Think of it as a collaborative art piece. It's perfect.
Come on, everyone, give it a go. The dog-cat way. This dog's dinner really is the cat's pajamas.